Welcome to CAD with Mr. Hugh. In today's video, we are looking at part 3 of the series of videos covering the topic third angle projection. We'll be starting the video now. Okay, what we're going to do now, we're going to draw the end elevation. So we have the construction lines here. What we're going to do, we're going to change the layer to our outline. And we will be actually be drawing the object now. So here now, when we look at the side there, we'll see a L shape, all right? So let us start drawing it now. So it'll be here, come to there. We're gonna turn on ortho, it's on, okay. Then we're gonna go up. The height would be 70, which we have already. So we're gonna come there. It's gonna come across 40, right? Come across 40, right? Then it's gonna come down 40 millimeters. Then it's gonna come across 30 millimeters. Then it's gonna come down 10. It's going to go across 10. It's going to come down 10. And then it's going to go across 10 and going to come down 10. Enter. All right. Now, this line going across here will be a hidden line behind here. So what we need to do is go to outline, construction, sorry. And we need to draw a line from here coming across there. Enter. And we're going to change to our hidden detail layer. And we're going to draw a line from there to there because that's a hidden detail. Okay, now these two lines here, which will be coming down, going across to there and coming down here, there'll be a hidden detail line which will be coming from here. So right here, there's a cutout going through there for the hole. So we're going to put it in. So we're going to go to outline and we're going to go line and then we're going to put it in. Undo, right. So we're gonna go to our outline layer and we're gonna draw that cutout that is here. So coming from here, we need to go up 20, then we need to come across 30, and then we need to come down 20, enter. So this line here, we'll have to trim it. This line here doesn't exist, right? So let me lock the construction layer, right? And then I'm gonna trim this line right here. So I'm gonna trim this, enter. And this is what the end elevation would look like on this side, okay? There's also another hidden detail right here. So let's put it in. So we're gonna go to hidden and we're gonna draw this line here. So there are two hidden detail lines on this side. Enter. All right, so this is what the end elevation over this side will look like. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go to our text layer. We're gonna go multi-line text. We're gonna come here and we're gonna label in capital letters end elevation. As easy as that. All right, so that's the end elevation. All right. So I'm going to draw the other end elevation, which you would see on the left side of the front elevation. All right, so we're going to do the same procedure. Now we need to unlock the construction layer because we'll be using the construction layer now. So what we'll be doing now, we'll be drawing a line from this point coming over, that would be there, coming down to there. All right. So if you're using a t-square set square, just draw a t-square line coming over to the left from the highest point. Draw a t-square set square line going up, and where these two lines intersect, you're gonna draw a 45-degree line from there. Okay. All right, so let's go now. Line from here, we need to turn off ortho, which gives us perpendicular lines. All right, so we're gonna draw a line 165, and the angle would be 135. All right, enter. All right, what we're gonna do now, we're going to draw the baseline going over. All right, so we're gonna go line in our construction layer. We're gonna go line to there, enter. That's a construction line. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna draw a line from this point, which is the last point on the plan. Gonna draw a line, come over, press enter. We're gonna turn on ortho. I'm gonna draw a line coming down from this intersection, coming down. Enter. All right. So we're gonna project all of these lines going over. So we're gonna go there, enter, enter to get the last command. Gonna come from there, enter, there, enter, there, enter, there, enter. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna do the same thing in the plan now. So we're gonna take this point to there. I'm gonna come down, enter. I'm gonna take this point coming down, enter. I'm gonna come down, enter, coming down, enter, coming down, enter. From this point coming down, enter. I'm going to extend it. All right, so there is our construction for the end elevation. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna turn, select our outline layer, then we're gonna go line, and we're gonna draw the base, the base. So the base will come across 20 millimeters. The base will come across from here, 20 millimeters. Then it will go up 20 millimeters, so the cutout, right, which is on the side, then you're gonna come across 30 millimeters. Then you're gonna come down 20 millimeters. Then you're gonna go across 20. You're gonna go up 10, come across 10, go up 10, come across 10, go up 10. Then it's gonna come across 30 millimeters, which is this line, right? Then it's gonna go up 40 millimeters. You're gonna go across 40 millimeters, and it's gonna come down 70 millimeters. Enter. Right? So looking at this side, we'll see a solid line here. Enter. And we need to draw a construction line coming over now to get the depth to transfer the depth over on the end elevation. So we draw a line from here coming over. Enter. And on this line, it would represent this cutout that is hidden behind here. So we'll go hidden detail line. I'm gonna select this line, and we're gonna come that command and press enter. So this is what the end elevation would look like. All right. Let us label text. Go to a text layer. We're gonna go multi-line. We're gonna go single line text. I'm gonna select here, there. And we're going to label in capital letters end elevation. As simple as that. So we save our drawing, right? And if you want to turn off our layers now, we could actually turn off the construction layer. These lines were drawn in what? Text. Right, so we need to put these lines on the construction layer. So we come down and put it on the con. There it is, it's turned off. Alright. So this is the 2D. This needs to go on the construction layer too. This is construction. So let's put this on the construction. It was on the text layer, alright? Alright, so there it is. So this is what the third angle projection of the given drawing would look like. So we would have the front elevation, which is what you would see looking in direction A. We would have the top view looking from above, right? And we would have these two side views looking on the object. So let us put those on it first. So here now, this is just for, or we can actually put it in here. So we can come here, double click here. So this one is looking, this one is looking from B, right? This one is looking from A. This one is looking from B. And this one is looking from side C. Okay? Right. So this is what the drawing would look like for the third angle projection, which is a 2D view. So we have the drawing represented in third angle projection based on the 3D view, which is drawn in isometric. And this is the views that you would see for the third angle projection, which is a 2D drawing. So this brings us to the end of today's video. In the next video, we'll be drawing the same object in first angle projection. So please take care until we meet again, and we're looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye. We have come to the end of part 3 of this series of videos covering the topic third angle projection. In the next video, we'll be looking at isometric projection. So we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Please take care until we meet again. Bye. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.